So there's a lot of space here, there's a lot of people, there's a lot of walls, there's a lot of construction going on. Success! All right, hello everybody. Here we are at Greenbuild 2024, and Kythera is the official air quality monitoring sponsor for Greenbuild. What we're really excited to do today is set up some brand new Sensedge Go's throughout all of Greenbuild, so the expo hall, where the keynote speeches will be taking place, where sessions are. And I was thinking this is a great opportunity to show just how easy it is to retrofit the Sensedge Go, get it set up in an existing environment, get it connected to the internet, and how it will cover a huge amount of space with a lot of devices and a single gateway. We've got the one gateway which is plugged in over here, so just plug that in. It is connecting over cellular, and we have 3 Sensedge Go's over here that we're going to take and get set up. Gonna power this on. Boom. Get this set up. Okay, boom. Greenbuild Expo. Okay. Beautiful. 1 monitoring station set up. 2 more to go. That was fast. Boom. Blue light connected. Beautiful. All right. Perfect. So we have 3 devices that have been connected, and they are located throughout this pretty large building. So there's a lot of space here, there's a lot of people, there's a lot of walls, there's a lot of construction going on, but it looks like all the devices are connected. They seem to be working, so we're just gonna head back and make sure that they're all online. Data is reporting as expected. Success! All right, here we go. So here we are at Greenbuild Expo 2024. If we scroll down a bit, we can see each of these monitoring stations. Again, this is a really great example of just how easy it is to set up these devices. Really long range, great penetration throughout the building, and really fast and easy install time.